The Bank of Canada's own surveys are signaling no rate cut is coming anytime soon. Toronto home sales climbed for a third straight month in June, and appraisals are coming in hundreds of thousands of dollars below purchase price on some GTA deals. Here's your Mortgage Minute for July 10th. First, the Bank of Canada surveys businesses and consumers every quarter to gauge where they think inflation and the economy are headed. This week's results show both groups expect inflation to stay above target, and economists now expect that the bank is going to hold its rate at 2.25% through the rest of the year. That leaves prime rate at 4.45%. The next decision from the bank is next week, July 15th, Wednesday, and the next one after that is in September. As of this morning, the 5-year Government of Canada bond yield, which sets fixed mortgage rates, sits at 3.13%, basically just bouncing around a little bit. Secondly, the housing market posted its third straight month of year-over-year gains in June, according to the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, with GTA sales up 9.4%, while new listings fell nearly 13%. Condo sales led the way, up over 14%, even as condo prices keep falling. The board is now forecasting renewed price growth in the second half of the year, and a separate RBC report found that affordability is at its best level in 4 years. Lastly, as prices keep falling across the GTA, appraisals are increasingly coming in below the agreed purchase price, sometimes by hundreds of thousands of dollars, which can leave a buyer short on financing at closing. It's affecting buyers who purchased during the pandemic boom and are now refinancing or wanting to refinance into equity that hasn't materialized, and sellers whose comparables don't support the agreed price. To close the financing gap, the usual fix is evaluating other lenders, ordering a second appraisal, or sometimes building a stronger case with comparables. For anyone coming up for renewal this year, it's always worth reassessing your mortgage rather than rolling into the same terms. So, anyone with a variable rate or planning a new mortgage, renewal, or refinance can plan around the Bank of Canada holding steady through the year end, for today at least. If you have a fixed rate and you're thinking about refinancing, expect more appraisal scrutiny if there's been much price movement in your area since you bought. If you have any questions about how this impacts you or your plans, call me or text me 249-480-1249. Have a great weekend.